In today's video, we're going to be comparing the 4-Tec 3.0 Corvette Stingray to the 4-Tec 2.0 Ford GT. What's going on, guys? SeeJayAre here today with another RC video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the differences between the 4-Tec 2.0 Ford GT and the new 4-Tec 3.0. You can find a video for the 4-Tec 3.0 unboxing of the Corvette C8 up here or at the end of the video. We give our initial impressions. We do an unboxing, first run. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the differences and, of course, similarities between the 4-Tec 2.0 and 3.0. We just got both of them out for a little bit of a test run to see if they handle any different. So I'm going to roll that footage right now, and we're going to come back and take a look at some of the physical differences between the two cars. And Teddy and I are headed to our favorite spot for driving on-road vehicles, actually the grade school that I went to as a kid. So last time I had fun showing Teddy my old classroom. But yeah, we're gonna compare these two cars, just kind of give you guys a good idea on how they feel. Beautiful night. It's just extremely cold. It's only like 5 degrees right now. Americans, you'll have to do the conversion now. It's like 50 something, maybe 60. All right, we have arrived at Blessed Sacrament Catholic School. That's where I went to school from kindergarten to grade 8. All right, we are back in the garage. I want to take a quick look at some of the differences between the 4-Tec 3.0 and 2.0. Here are the specs on the side of the box. This, of course, is the 3.0 up here and the 2.0 here. They both feature the XL5 ESC and the Titan 550 12-turn motor. Aside from a couple differences in terms of the chassis and wheels, they are very similar cars. Now, one of the main differences that I noticed, obviously that I noticed when I opened the box, was that the Ford GT, the 4-Tec 2.0 came with the TQI radio, and the 4-Tec 3.0 comes with the TQ. So a little bit more of a basic radio, so you won't be able to do anything like adding the Traxxas link. But yeah, at first glance, it's pretty obvious that the 4-Tec 3.0 is bigger, longer chassis. I think it might even be slightly wider. But yeah, definitely a more scale body. As you can see, I have both red here. Really enjoyed the 2.0 platform. It was my first road car that I've ever owned, so I had a lot of fun with this guy. I will say that I do like this quite a lot more. Like I said, you got a much more scale body. You can see right down to on the 4-Tec 2.0. This is just a sticker of the motor in the back, sticker of the headlight wells here. You know, we've got body clips. On this is a clipless mounting system, which I'm really enjoying. But you can see these are actual pieces of plastic here for the headlights. We've got mirrors. I'm not even sure. Maybe the GT doesn't actually have mirrors. I'm not too sure about that. But you've got scale mirrors on this and a really cool scale motor in there. Hopefully you can see that. Reflections kind of getting in the way, but super cool, gorgeous body. I mean, both bodies are really nice. Decals are applied really well, great paint jobs. Just some really awesome scale details on the 3.0 that really kind of set it apart from the 2.0. So let's compare the size, try and give you the best view that I can to take a look at the difference in size. A noticeably longer chassis. I want to say that the 3.0 also feels, the width is very similar, maybe ever so slightly, maybe a couple millimeters wider. But yeah, when it comes to driving, so I was able to get out and drive. I think it was super important that I use the same battery for both cars. Yeah, they felt pretty much the same speed-wise. The 4-Tec 3.0 did feel a little bit more planted, less likely to lose the back end and do fishtails and stuff like that. You could kick the back end out on this and drift a little bit more than you could on this. So you can see that was the clipless mounting system, which really adds to the scale look to the 4-Tec 3.0. Removing the body here. So there's a closer look. You can see the differences in length of chassis, also substantially bigger wheels on the 4-Tec 3.0. Just lends it to being a little bit more planted. We've got this fin on the bottom here that would help a little bit with air not getting up and under the body. Actually, this guy here attracts a ton of dirt and pebbles up into the tray, and I've noticed that it's much better on this one. So the battery I was using is the Traxxas 7600 milliamp hour 2-cell LiPo. Tried that on both, and very similar when it comes to speed. I'll have a speed run coming for both of these cars very soon, just kind of comparing them box stock, and I might put the speed pinion on this guy and just see what kind of speeds we can get. But very similar electronics. Yeah, it's really just that stretched chassis. Shocks look to be, I believe, the exact same shocks. Not a whole lot of differences here. Just a longer chassis and some bigger wheels. Like I said, it lends to being, it can handle a little bit better, a little bit more loose, I find, on this car. Not a whole lot more to say in terms of this comparison, other than, you know, they're both great platforms. If you can find a 2.0 at a good deal on a discounted rate, highly recommend that one. Slightly smaller if you want something that's a little bit tinier. But yeah, I can't say enough about the 4-Tec 3.0. This will be the one that stays in my collection, and I may pass this on to my nephews to drive this one around. We do have fun though driving the two of them. At times though, from distance, they do get confused because they can look similar at distance, same colors. Love the red, love every color. They both come in red, black, and blue. I think there might be a gray in the 3.0 too that I've seen, maybe exclusive to some retailers. But yeah, that's just a real quick comparison of the 4-Tec 3.0 to the 4-Tec 2.0. As I said, if you want to watch more videos on the 4-Tec 3.0, you check out the cards above or at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to watch some more RC stuff if you enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next episode.